Fanga Dan here. This is my 2018 Ford Ranger FX4 4x4. So CTB Performance have kitted this truck out with all the awesome accessories they do. CTB have installed this awesome ADD front bar, winch and light bar. So we've also added an ADD rear bumper, roll bar and light bars as well. So CTB have also fitted a 2-inch lift kit and these awesome fitting 50mm wide flares. So I'm also very lucky to be the first person here in New Zealand to be running the RTR Tech 6 wheels, soon to be available at CTB Performance, with BG Marketing wrapping them with 285 5520s AMP terrain grippers. One of the key things for me is that this truck feels big, it feels safe. We're towing 3.5 ton big enclosed race car trailer all around the country with my family and crew in this, and it just feels amazing and handles the weight. One of the things that I love about the Ford Ranger is the transmission. Towing a big 3.5 ton fully enclosed race car trailer is one big load. So this auto, I've noticed it picks up when you're going down hills, it changes down beautifully, it changes gear at the right times, so it makes it a safe and comfortable trip. 12 months, 30,000 Ks later, this truck has been absolutely awesome. It's going to be sad to see it go, but I can't wait for what Ford New Zealand has for us next.